Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. On the 18th of July, in a document that was just released today, the 21st of July, 2025, we now note that the state has filed a motion to extend no contact orders between Mr. Kiohberger and the parties who were previously granted no contact orders by Judge Stephen J. Hippler, which are set to expire January 5th, 2027. So what the state, by and through Mr. Thompson, who signed this on the 17th of July and filed it, is asking for is the entry of another order extending the expiration date for the current no contact orders an additional 99 years, which would be on or about January 5th, 2126. Let's look and see what this motion says, and then we'll give a little bit of background on these no contact orders. Comes now the state of Idaho by and through Latah County prosecuting attorney and moves this court for an extension of the no contact orders previously entered herein, preventing defendant from having any contact with the victims pursuant to Idaho Code Section 18-920. This motion is based on the fact that defendant has now entered guilty pleas to all offenses charged in the indictment and will be sentenced on July 23rd, 2025. The current no contact orders expire January 5th, 2027, and the state respectfully requests that they be extended for an additional 99 years. Some background information, ladies and gentlemen. There were certain no contact orders that were issued under seal at the very beginning of the case, and we're going to go over that in just a moment. But if you want to look at the current motion to extend the no contact order and the under seal document, you've got to go back to the case summary page for December 18th, 2024. It's where you're going to see an under seal document regarding these no contact orders. On the public docket, December 18th, 2024 is the motion to extend the no contact order. It is a stipulation that was entered into between the parties to file them under seal. If you go to January 6th, 2025, you're going to see Judge Stephen J. Hippler's court order granting this relief to the state of Idaho. But to understand where this all started, we have to go back to the very, very beginning of the case. Actually, the case summary page, page number 3. And there you will see, and this is back when Judge Megan E. Marshall presided over this case, that there were a series of no contact orders that were entered January 5th, 2023. And there's initials here: DM, JKJK, BMKC, BF, and other no contact orders. These were all under seal. However, again, they're dated January 5th, 2023. They have the lock and key icon next to them on the case summary page. That tells us that these documents were and continue to be under seal. So now we see that the state is looking to extend this basically another century. We're going to wait and see what the court orders, if this relief is granted, and when the court order hits the docket, we will let you know. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.